Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Quickbar, and Metrics. Did you know that you can add more items to the user interface of your DynaMaker app besides the typical configurator? Buttons at the top usually come in handy for quick actions that simply update the camera, toggle the visibility of geometries, or even download files like drawings and 3D models. Since these items can be added to the UI, let's jump into the UI editor. We'll start with the Quickbar items. These should be added within the onInit function via Studio setQuickbarItems, which takes a list of Quickbar items as objects, each with a set of arguments that can be seen by pressing Ctrl and space. Starting with icon or image, these change the button's appearance to a predefined picture or an uploaded one from assets. Then the most important one, action, is a function that allows you to trigger some code when clicking the button, like for example updating the camera, toggling geometry, or downloading files. There are also optional arguments like tooltip, which shows a message when hovering the mouse over the button, or hasBlockingAction, which shows a spinning icon while the action is being performed. This is especially useful when downloading models or drawings takes some time. As for the metrics, they work in a similar way. These are set via defineVisibleMetrics, which also takes a list of objects with some arguments: ID for easier tracking, label that will appear in bold, and value as what's shown after the label. It's usually convenient to wrap these Quickbar items into a function so they can be easily reused elsewhere, like in a configurator callback, as shown here with the metrics. This is especially helpful when the items depend on a condition. For example, the drawing button here becomes disabled, and one of the metrics becomes hidden when the height is lower than 3000. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.